folks, we're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this. And wouldn't you know it? With a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. Either disembarking, please carry your stores all the way off the platform before and forward. That'll help make room for any new arrivals. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Hi friends, please remain seated until the train comes to a stop and I give the magical words all.